Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can sell on Phantom Wallet. So for example, here I'm going to go to Phantom Wallet here on my Chrome extension. I'm going to enter in my password real quick. And once here, you can see that no matter where I go on Phantom Wallet here, there'll be no buttons to directly sell my tokens, right? So the thing we have to do is that we'll need to send the crypto or the token from Phantom Wallet to a wallet where, or an exchange where it supports a transfer to PayPal or anything of the sort. So from making the token non-tangible into tangible, right? Which means it's actual money. So the thing we have to do here is we have to go to send. And on send, let's just pick a token we want to send. So for example, I want to send Solana. I'm just going to enter in the Solana address here. And obviously, it'll be the wallet address where it's an exchange where it can be transferred to PayPal. And then I'm going to enter in the amount here. Like for example, I'm just going to enter in a random amount, like 32. Right now it's insufficient because I don't have any. But once you've entered in the address and the balance here, you can just click on next, transfer that to the wallet where it supports an exchange. And then from that exchange, you can withdraw it onto your PayPal so you can sell it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.